Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to mute ringtone in Xiaomi 15. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on sound and vibration. After clicking on sound and vibration, and here you can see the option ringtone. If you want to mute your ringtone, then simply swipe left to mute your ringtone. Your ringtone will mute. The another way to mute your ringtone is press and hold volume button and then click on these three dots and then swipe down fully and your ringtone will mute. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.